Hello, dear friends. Here's Alex, and today I want to speak directly to those of you who sometimes feel tired or discouraged on your English journey. Maybe you have studied for months or even years. You can introduce yourself, you can order food, you can understand some songs or movies, but still, you feel the same. It is as if you are walking but not moving forward. You wonder, why am I not improving? Why do I still feel the same when I speak? I want you to know something very important. This feeling is normal. Every learner in every language goes through the stage. It does not mean you are failing. It does not mean you are not smart. It only means your brain is working quietly in the background. Think of it like a plant. You water it every day, but for many days you do not see new leaves. Then, suddenly, one morning, there is growth. So today I will teach you how to understand this stuck stage and give you clear steps to move forward again. By the end of this episode, you will feel new hope, new motivation, and new tools to keep growing. And before we go further, remember to subscribe to the Easy English Podcast Club on YouTube. Each week, we share practical lessons to help you continue step by step. At the beginning of learning, everything feels exciting. You learn to say hello and people understand you. You listen to a song and suddenly catch one or two words. You watch a movie with subtitles and understand a whole line. Progress feels fast. Every week brings new skills. But later, progress slows down. You can already talk about your daily life. You can already watch your favorite videos with some understanding. The new words and grammar do not feel as exciting. You are still learning, but it does not feel as dramatic as before. This stage feels flat, like walking on a long road where the view does not change. You are moving, but you do not notice. That is why so many learners think, I am stuck. Okay, let's discuss the 4 main reasons for feeling stuck. Number 1, too much comfort. Your brain becomes comfortable with the things you already know. You repeat the same lessons, watch the same type of shows, or read the same kind of text. Comfort feels safe, but it does not push you higher. Number 2, practicing only what is easy. We all enjoy success. We like to do things we are good at. So maybe you always practice reading because you are good at it, but you avoid speaking because it is hard. If you only do what is easy, your English level will not rise. Number 3, not enough output. Listening, reading, and watching are input. Speaking and writing are output. Many learners spend 90% of their time on input. They watch shows, they read, they listen, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. Fluency grows only when you produce English, not only when you receive it. Number 4, invisible progress. Sometimes you are improving, but the progress is small. Your pronunciation is a little clearer. Your grammar is a little stronger. You understand one extra word in a song. But these small wins are easy to miss. You feel the same, even though you are better than before. Do you see yourself in one of these 4 reasons? If yes, do not worry. The solution is simple, and I will show you the steps right now. But before we continue, take a second to subscribe to the Easy English Podcast Club. That way you will never miss new strategies to keep moving. Here are 4 practical steps to move forward. Step 1. Push your output. Do not only talk about easy topics like my family or my job.
Challenge yourself. Try explaining a new story in English. Try describing the plot of a movie. Try teaching someone a new word you learned. At first, you will feel uncomfortable. You will forget words. You will make mistakes. But mistakes are not the enemy. They are proof that your brain is stretching and learning. The more you push your output, the faster your fluency grows. Step 2. Track your progress. When changes are small, you need a way to see them. Here is a simple method. Once a week, record yourself speaking for 1 to 2 minutes. Talk about your day, a memory, or something you learned. Save the recording. After a month, listen to your old recordings. You will hear the difference. Your pronunciation will be clearer. Your sentences will flow more smoothly. This will remind you that you are improving, even when you do not feel it daily. Step 3. Short, focused study. Big study sessions are not always useful. Studying for 3 hours once a week often makes you tired and bored. Instead, try short, focused practice every day. Spend 15 minutes listening to one podcast. Spend 10 minutes shadowing one short text. Spend 20 minutes writing a short paragraph. These short bursts give your brain enough energy to remember. They also keep learning enjoyable. Step 4. Stretch yourself. Growth happens when you do something a little harder than your current level. Not too easy, not too hard, just enough to make your brain work. This is called a stretch activity. Examples: have a 5-minute conversation without using your first language. Read a short story without checking the dictionary every sentence. Write a paragraph on a new topic. These small stretch activities are like lifting a slightly heavier weight at the gym. Each time, your muscles grow stronger. Each time, your English improves. If you find these steps useful, hit the subscribe button on Easy English Podcast Club. That way, you can keep practicing with me and continue climbing to the next level. Many learners wait for big changes before they celebrate. They wait until they can watch a full movie without subtitles or give a perfect speech. But real growth comes from small wins. You understood a new phrase in a song. You had a 3-minute conversation without freezing. You wrote a paragraph with fewer mistakes. These are victories. Each one proves you are moving forward. When you celebrate small wins, you feel more energy, and that energy keeps you learning. Being stuck does not mean you're failing. It means you are on the flat part of the mountain, walking quietly before the next big climb. The road may feel slow, but it is preparing you for the next hill. Your brain is not sleeping. It is organizing, connecting, and building strength in the background. If you continue, soon you will notice a jump. Suddenly, you will understand more, speak faster, or feel more confident. So instead of saying, "I'm stuck," say, "I'm preparing." This small change in thinking can give you new hope. Today, we learned why learners feel stuck and how to break through. 1. Push your output with new topics. 2. Track your progress with recordings. 3. Use short, focused daily study. 4. Add stretch activities to challenge your brain. And we learn to celebrate small wins, to trust the process, and to see the stuck stage as a normal part of learning. I want you to remember this. Fluency is not one big step. It is many small steps. Some steps are fast, some steps are slow. Some feel exciting, others feel quiet, but each one takes you forward. If you trust the process, if you continue with patience and practice, you will reach your goal. You will speak with confidence. You will understand with ease. Thank you for joining me today on Easy English Podcast Club. I'm Alex, and I believe in you. Subscribe now so we can keep learning together every day. Keep practicing, Keep smiling and keep believing in yourself. Until next time.